Guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Today we are going to be using Wixel to remove our image background. Let's get started. Go to Wixel.com and log in using your existing Wix account, or you can sign up for free if you don't have one yet. Once you're in, click on Create here on the upper right of your screen and go to Smart Actions. Then select Remove Background. Now, your window will automatically open where you can select the image you want to work on. So locate the image that you want to work on and select it, and then click on Open. And you will now be taken to the Wixel editor. Wixel's ARIA or AI will automatically analyze your image and remove its background. It'll just take a couple of seconds. Once it's ready, you can then share and download your image by going to share and download here on the upper right. You can create a shareable link, post it directly to these social media platforms, or download it to your PC. So there you go. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.